Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza and grow a garden. First, let's make pizza. To start, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of yeast, and 1 cup of warm water. Mix them, then knead the dough for 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth. Let it rise in a warm place for about 60 minutes. This simple process creates a fantastic base for your pizza. Once your dough has risen, gently roll it out into a 12-inch circle on a floured surface. Now comes the fun part. Add your favorite sauce, cheese, and any toppings you desire. Be creative. Finally, bake your pizza in a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece. Now let's shift to gardening. To begin, select a sunny location that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, prepare your soil by incorporating compost. This enriches nutrients and improves drainage, giving your plants a great start. Finally, choose plants that thrive in your local climate and fit your garden size. Happy planting! Consistent watering is crucial. Aim for about 1 inch per week, especially when it's dry. Keep weeds at bay by hand pulling them or using mulch to prevent their growth. When your vegetables are ready, harvest them at their peak ripeness for the best flavor. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.